Liver function tests are very essential tests carried out to evaluate the functioning of our liver in the body. Liver is very essential organ of our body. Now the main function of our liver is it secretes many chemicals in our blood. So when we are doing liver function test, we actually evaluating the levels of all these chemicals present in our blood. Liver, as I said, performs very important function in our body. It plays important role in the digestion of proteins and fats. Apart from that, it secretes bile, which helps in the process of digestion of lipids. Liver also stores glycogen from the sugar. Apart from that, it also performs very important function of removing toxins from the body. You will see number of tests under that particular broad heading, like SGOT, SGPT. These are basically the enzymes which are secreted by liver. So when a person suffers from some problem at the liver functioning, the levels of SGOT and SGPT are quite high. Apart from that, albumin and globulin, these are the proteins which are produced by liver. If liver functions are not proper, then possibility that these albumin and globulin levels will be high. Bilirubin is one of the toxins which is produced in the process of breaking out of the red blood cells. Now, as it is a toxin, it needs to be removed from our circulation. But if the liver is not functioning properly, bilirubin will be held back in the liver and ultimately it will be coming into the blood circulation. That gives a yellow discoloration to the sclera and even to the fingertips. So a person who suffers from any abnormality at the liver functions will have the high levels of bilirubin also. Liver function test gives us a complete clue about the proper functioning of the liver. So it is very essential that a physician should undergo liver function test and understand the functioning of the liver is correct or not.